Okay, Matthew, what you're going to do is go to your Word and Reference Manual, right? Click on Lesson 21, say GDP, start, choosing commands, file open, GDP. Alright, I would keep this open. If you have another screen, alright, keep that open. Alright, let's see if it will allow me. Using a program, I'm not sure if it will allow me. Alright, there we go. Okay. Okay. Alright, so you're going to opening Word files. That tells you here what it's going to allow you to do. Alright. Okay. Then what you want to do is go back to your lessons. Part 2, Lesson 21. Right here where it says Lesson 21. And it will say Word Processing. So you scroll down, it will say Download File. Okay. So then you have downloaded the file. What it is next going to tell you to do, alright, like over here, it'll tell you, it'll give you stuff like start work. Okay, just to give you an example. That's just to show you how to start your work. What it's next going to tell you in the Word manual is to, let's see, where are we? There's our Word manual here. Nope, not that one. Okay. What it will tell you in the Word manual is to, what to do, what to type. Okay. So it'll probably tell you something like, alright. And then click in the dot to open a blank and follow the steps to complete the practice exercise. Okay? And over here, it also gives you directions that it will tell you. If a protected file, view, warning, click Enable, click View, Edit Document. If read-only appears in the save using a different file name or location. Alright, so this tells you basically Lesson 21, and you go down here to Lesson 21, page 76. Alright, that will tell you what it wants you to do. So then in your book, you turn to page 76, okay, and it will tell you what it wants to do. Well, at your computer. It doesn't really tell you much what it wants you to do. Okay? Alright. Then you go next. You do all of these. Okay? 22. On page of you are asked to open the file name. First, you must save the file to a location where you can open it later. Alright? Make sure you read all this stuff over here in the left-hand document on the left-hand side of your screen. Okay? Alright, this also gives you little hints what to do. Alright? It tells you like start work, download file. Let's see what happens when it tells us to download file. Okay, like this, it's telling us enable. Alright, so you're going to do here, and then it will say start work. Okay. I don't have a Word manual, unfortunately. I gave mine away. Let me see what it says. I have a 2010, so let's see what it says for Lesson 22. I did find one, my bad. Okay, so it's just like this. I'm going to do it enable editing. Alright. 21, 22. All right. So in the beginning, mine is page 12, or navigating the file. It's going to show you all this stuff. Where in the book it says practice, and it shows you a little hands-on. Okay, locate the mouse pointer and the insertion point in front of the first word. So I noticed on one of these. Okay, so this right here is your insertion. Basically, all you are doing in lessons 21 through about 24 is you're just going and you're learning the new, what these are. Okay, see, 2010, they had a ribbon. So my book is really useless because you want a 13 or a 16. And I don't think I have one. People borrow mine and they never came back to me. Yeah, all I have is 2010. Okay, so you're basically just going to walk through that small reference manual that they had. Let's see if I can pull mine up. It will allow me. Go over here. I can open one. Okay, so what it's going to tell me is downloaded, open, move over the ribbon. Okay, so what it basically does, it's just having you walk on this ribbon here. All right, press Control End. So all you're going to do is on your keyboard is do Control End. Okay, and notice where my cursor jumped to here. Okay, move the insertion point to the left of the, I think that's left of the T in line 3. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, so right here, so you move it right there. And then press backspace. Alright, so then press the space bar. So all you're doing is just basically now press delete. Okay, type T. So that's basically all you're doing. Move to the beginning of the same line, line 3. So there's, it's just, you can do the home key. Okay. Move to the beginning of the document. You can do Control Home. Alright, and continue reading. So now you're just going to continue reading through this. So wherever it shows the practice, that's where you want to launch. Like when it shows the practice, let me see if I can bring one up here in the Word manual. Okay. And then when you click Save, you're just going to click Save on these. There will be no saving it anywhere. Okay. So like here, this is in here. You can also go right here in Canvas. Sorry about that. I kind of jumped on you. You can go into there and let me show you. All right, gonna have to sign out. Okay. So when you go to the reference manual here, all right, it'll just show you where to go. Okay, now when you get to lesson 25, like these practice sections right here, those are different. All right, and when it says to save a file, all right, it tells you scoring. It'll tell you what the scoring is. You can click on there. You can click Word. But these areas where the practice, that's what they want you to do in the documents that you're going to download in there. Okay, then it shows you. Follow these from now on. We are not hooked up to the email. Don't email me in this. Just go through the motions. And then you'll go to like lesson 28. Okay, that's a little different. When you get to lessons 28, let's see, I can't remember which one I had to do documents in. 27. Okay, like this one has an envelope. So what you will do when you get to lesson 28, you'll go start from scratch. Notice down here it opens up, or it will open up here. Enable. And then again you'll go and like to lesson 28 in the textbook. Okay. And say whatever one it is. This is 2809 right here. What you will do for this one is you'll go to mailings. Okay. You'll go to envelopes. And it says prepare an envelope with the following mailing address. So the delivery address is Mr. Brad Everett. That little red line means to just key enter business software solutions 1410 Monterey Road, San Jose, California 95110. Okay, and the return address is right here. So you would put Marie Fletcher, ABV Systems, Inc. Oops. 7200 Cedar Street, Omaha, Nebraska 68124. Alright, and then it says add the envelope to a blank document. So you're going to hit this. Do you want as default? The default means obviously that you just want to make that your default address. In our case, just click no. Okay, so this is what you will get. Okay, then you will do the file, save as. Alright, I suggest that you put a folder on your desktop. Okay. Try not to change that title. Desktop. Okay, click save. Alright, and go out of that. Then what you do, let's see if it saved for me. Yeah, right here. Okay, and then you click here, submit work. Alright, what's happening now? Upload and save.